These are gonna be the two styles that we have available now for the Cascadia, for the door trim. Pretty much this one is just gonna be going on plain stainless, and then this one is gonna be the same way. It's gonna be plain stainless, but also where you see the Cascadia, where it is gonna be able to light up. Pretty much this is what, if you order this one is gonna be just plain stainless with the 3 screws. They're gonna be going on the same holes as the factory ones, so you don't have to do no changes, no additional drilling required, nothing. Pretty much it's gonna be plug and play. For this one, it's gonna be pretty much the same. The only thing is you don't have to run 12 volt to it. So like that, when you open the door, it's gonna light up. You can also run this to a switch. So you can run with these, that is gonna get you a nice glow for the cab at night. They both gonna be available on our website.